Alright, what's up, y'all? This is gonna be first video on the channel. Doing a turbo install on the HNSI. I was gonna film a lot more of it, but kind of just got to it. So we got pretty much everything that has to be taken off. Took off the radiator. We're gonna upgrade the radiator. Drain the oil, remove the subframe. It had a skunk 2 header on it, that's removed. Now all it is kind of putting everything up together. This is a Purell turbo kit for the HNSI. This is the kit that's going on it. This is all the intercooler piping. 3 stickers. A lot of it's already on the car. It's the turbo. Precision turbo. It goes blow off valve. The wastegate. Not sure what we're gonna set that to yet. Hopefully this car is done soon. Alright, so I mocked up the turbo manifold, but I'm having trouble with the brake lines. I don't know if they're going to be too close or... So that's the manifold there. It's on there with 2 bolts. None of the brake lines are touching, but they're very close. But that's the radiator that's gonna go on, and I'm gonna prop that up first, and then I'll get back to the brake line. All right, this is what I got done so far. I got the radiator back on, all the lines connected. Got the intercooler mount. The only thing stopping me right now from putting the intercooler on is I need the hardware for that. I can't find the hardware in the kit. And then that gold tape. Put some of the gold tape around the brake lines. Got the turbo header mounted, secured. Gonna need a see how I need to clock this thing for the oil feed. Oil pressure sensor goes back in here. Oil feed from here. I was gonna see which way it turns. Need to mount wastegate, turbo, clock the turbo, see what everything goes, how everything goes. But that's all I think I'm gonna get done today. It's not much of a first video, but as I go through it, I'll keep recording, especially when the turbo goes on. But that's how she's looking now.